Special report.
Special report.
This is an urgent bulletin from the National Weather Service. Due to the blizzard, winter storm Jonas, everyone stay in your homes.
Stay in your homes.
And watch the Robert Dyer Channel all weekend.
Woo!
Hi everybody, Robert Dyer, and welcome to the Robert Dyer Channel, where today I went to Burger King and I got their new chicken burger. This is a flame grilled chicken burger. Well, here's the chicken burger in the wrapper. Now here's the chicken burger out of the wrapper. You can see it's got that special brioche bun. And then you've got the tomato slice and the onion coming out there, and then you can see the grill marks. Let's open this up and get a closer look in here. We got a couple of tomato slices, look like they're from the top of the tomato. A little split of mayonnaise there. A couple of big onion rings. Lettuce, and see if we can get a little bit of a closer look at that chicken patty there. Very nice grill marks, so very nice presentation on that. Well, the aroma isn't all that different from a Whopper. You don't really smell the chicken burger itself, just that flame grilled aroma. So let's go ahead and see how it tastes. Well, that first bite is pretty good. It's got a lot of flame grilled flavor, like it just came off a grill. Great flavor contrast with the crisp pickle and onion combined with the smoky chicken burger patty.
Oh, I'm down here in the basement finishing up my dinner, and let me tell you, this 5 for $4 deal from Burger King meal is gonna give me just the energy I need to beat E.T. and Texas Chainsaw Massacre on the Atari 2600 tonight. Don't go to bed before the king.
Don't go to bed before the king. Woo!
You wonder, going in with a sandwich like this, is this just going to be some sort of a semi-chicken flavor sponge, some kind of a foreign chicken product, but it really does have the texture and the meaty flavor, the same kind of chicken flavor you get from a chicken breast, but with this great smoky flame grilled backyard barbecue flavor that you expect from something like the Whopper. There's also a nice bun on here. It's slightly sweet. It really goes well with the chicken in a way that it might not go so well with the regular beef Whopper. The ingredients appear to be fresh on here, everything crisp, and give a little bit of a crunch and a contrast to the smoke flavor. So once again, I think Burger King finished last year very strong, and they're starting off this year very well, and several times surprising me as to how good these things are. This was $3.99. I think you probably pay a lot more these days for sandwiches that aren't this good of a quality. Things that are $5 and $6. So very nice price on this. Unfortunately, the Montgomery County Council, not so nice. decides to take 24 cents for themselves in tax. Ridiculous as usual. I'm going to go ahead and give this 5 stars. Hope you liked this video. Share it with your friends. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.